Hi, I'm Susan with Kiwi Lane Designs, and in this video I want to give you a close look at our Shiny and New Scrapbooking class. Now, our Shiny and New Scrapbooking class does use our Shiny and New layout kit, which is just full of beautiful patterns and colors that are really soft and just are perfect for capturing and preserving those precious moments in our lives. In this Kiwi class, you will be creating a 2-page layout similar to the one that you see here, and all you have to personally bring with you is a paper trimmer, a pair of scissors, some adhesive, and your pictures, and your Kiwi Lane instructor will provide the rest. So make sure to contact your hostess and prepay for the class today, or if you're interested in hosting this Kiwi class yourself, make sure to talk to your Kiwi Lane instructor. Thanks so much for watching.